Two families had lived together happily as neighbors. Their young sons were the best of friends. As the boys grew up, each learned the profession of his father. One became a washerman, while the other became a potter. The washerman worked very hard and earned well, while the potter was a lazy fellow and spent most of his time gambling with his friends, sometimes even throughout the night. The washerman soon became quite rich, while the other remained as poor as he was when he first took over his father's trade. Like most lazy people, the potter would bemoan his fate and envy the good fortune of the washerman. As time went by, the potter's jealousy about his neighbor's good fortune grew so intense that he neglected even the little work he would set out to do every day, and thus grew poorer and poorer. At last, a day came when he couldn't even bear the thought of the prosperous washerman, and so he thought of an evil plan to ruin him. Early next morning, he hurried to the royal palace and sat just outside the palace gates, where many other peasants and skilled workers waited hopefully for some work orders from the palace. As the royal procession made its way past, he spoke in a loud voice to the man standing next to him.
What a shame to see our mighty king riding on a black elephant, when all he has to do is get the master washerman to wash his elephant clean and white.
The king, who was not very intelligent, stopped his elephant and asked the potter,
"Who is this master washerman? Who can turn a black elephant white just by washing it?"
Your Highness,
the potter replied.
He is my childhood friend and lives next door to me. Indeed, he is so good at his trade that he has invented a special type of washing soap. I hear it is mixed with moonstones and other secret herbs that only he knows of. This soap can bleach anything white.
"Bring this washerman to me at once,"
commanded the king.
Your Majesty, gladly will I summon my friend, but my leg is hurt, and it is many miles to my home. I cannot walk very fast. I fear that by the time I reach home, he might have left for the north, where the king has a special assignment for him."
At this, the king commanded one of his ministers to go on his swiftest horse and summon the washerman before he left the city. When the washerman arrived, the king said to him,
"This morning, your friend, the potter, praised your great skill and spoke about your invention of a special soap that bleaches all things white. Can you turn my black elephant into a white one?"
The washerman at once saw through the potter's evil plan.
If I told the truth, the king might not believe me. What have I to do?
Seeing him hesitate, The king became angry.
Washerman, have you not heard my command? Or do you wish to lose your head for disobeying your king?
It is a great honor to serve your majesty. And I am grateful to my childhood friend for giving me this opportunity.
Said the washerman.
But I was only thinking about the pot. Your majesty. After clothes are washed, they are put inside a big pot for steaming. Therefore, I need a pot large enough for the elephant to get into. The man who can help me is my friend, the potter.
The king summoned the potter at once and ordered him to make a pot large enough to hold the elephant. And the potter had to spend many days and nights working hard to make a pot large enough to hold the elephant. When at last the pot was ready, the washerman scrubbed the elephant with his special soap, turned the pot on its side, and drove the elephant into a steam. Of course, as you can guess, the moment the elephant stepped into the pot, it broke into 1,000,000 pieces. So the king commanded the potter to make another pot. And the jealous potter had to start to make another pot, which was to be strong and big. This process continued all over again for many years until finally, the potter died because of hard work. As for the washerman, well, he was lucky. After all, because the king changed his mind about him washing the elephant white, and instead gave him all the royal garments to wash. So he became even richer than he was before.